guys, I'm Ming again and welcome back. This is the sixth video and are you okay? I hope so. And today we will study for sound in the IBA chart. It is b, b, and t, t, and the. Okay, let's start. The first sound P. Please. Example number 1. I have a garden please. I have a garden piece. Number 2. Sit down please. The second sound B. Boat. Bet. Example number 1. I have a boat. Number 2. You are the bet. The third sound T. Eat. Example number 1. I like to drink tea. Number 2. I don't like to eat cake. I don't like to eat cake. The last sound the dot. Example number 1. She is the doctor. Number 2. You did a good job. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.